In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a zoom effect in CapCut step by step, so you can make your edits look more dynamic, more professional, and way more engaging. Whether you want to highlight a moment, emphasize a reaction, or just make your video feel more cinematic, this is a quick and easy effect to learn. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut editing guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and click New Project to start a fresh edit. Once the project opens, import the video you want to work with. You can usually drag and drop your file into CapCut or use the Import button to browse for it from your device. After your video is imported, drag the clip down onto the timeline. This is where all the editing happens, so make sure your clip is placed correctly before moving on. If you have multiple clips, choose the one where you want the zoom effect to appear. Now click on the clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. This is an important step because CapCut needs to know which part of your project you want to edit. Once the clip is selected, go to the top toolbar and find Effects. Click on it, then choose Video Effects from the available options. Inside Video Effects, use the search bar and type Zoom. CapCut will show you different zoom styles and variations you can use. Take a moment to browse the options because different zoom effects can create different moods. Some may feel subtle, while others are more dramatic and eye-catching. When you find the zoom effect you want, click the plus icon to apply it to your video. CapCut will add the effect to the selected section, and you should see it appear on your timeline or preview window. From there, you can preview the effect to make sure it looks the way you want. If you want to customize it further, use the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can adjust the intensity, speed, direction, duration, and other effect settings depending on the zoom style you chose. If the zoom feels too strong, reduce it. If it feels too soft, increase it until it stands out better. You can also move the effect along the timeline if you want it to happen at a specific moment in your video. This is really useful if you want the zoom to hit right on a punchline, a beat drop, or an important part of your narration. A well-timed zoom can make even a simple clip feel much more polished. Once you're happy with the effect, play the video back from the start and check the final result. Look for smoothness, timing, and whether the zoom supports the story you're trying to tell. If needed, go back and fine-tune the settings until it feels just right. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a zoom effect in CapCut. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in the overall quality of your videos. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.